Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a quick flip through of this journal that I'm working on. It's the one that I posted the last video. This is the closure, some polka dot ribbon. It has 3 signatures. So, and a pocket on the front and a pocket on the back. So here's signature 1. So the vibe of this one is eclectic, fun, art, colorful, bold. Just like the one I've posted a flip through that I made for myself. This one most likely will be up for sale soon. I'll be adding, I'm not going to over embellish it so that the person that uses it can, but I will add things clipped in, journal cards. I'll add a few pockets. You know, have some dangles, some cute stuff to go with it. But there's lots of journaling space. A little cute flip. This is signature 2. Hi, buddy. This is dyed paper. More dyed paper. You know I love my polka dots. So hopefully whoever uses it does too. This is the center of signature 2. Polka dots make their way in a lot. Henry. All right, and then this is the beginning of signature 3 with this Monopoly paper. It's so cute. Here's a pocket. Some dyed book page. This is the center of the signature. Other side of the pocket. Crispy, crunchy paper. And then your Monopoly pocket. And then it just ties up, you know, easy peasy. I went back and forth if I wanted to add brads instead, but I ended up sewing the ribbon inside. So there's plenty of room to get nice and chunky. So this is hand painted by yours truly. It's actually a file folder that I made into the cover. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys that. I'll be adding some more fun things to it. But anyway, happy Friday, and I'll see you guys later.